May be an unprecedented abortion lawsuit in the state of Texas. 3 Texas women are being sued by a friend's ex-husband. He's alleging that they helped her obtain abortion pills to terminate her pregnancy. The couple divorced last year, 2 months before that abortion supposedly took place. Here's ABC's Ika Jachi.
Tonight, a first lawsuit of its kind in the latest efforts to punish people who assist abortions in states where it's increasingly criminalized. Marcus Silva of Galveston County, Texas, filing a civil suit against 3 friends of his now ex-wife for allegedly helping her obtain pills used to terminate her pregnancy last year. The suit, a wrongful death suit on behalf of Mr. Silva's unborn child, alleges that assisting a self-managed abortion qualifies as murder under Texas state law. In a statement to ABC News, a lawyer from a firm representing Silva saying abortion harms not only the unborn children who are killed, but also the fathers who have had their fatherhood stolen from them. In a photo from the suit, 2 of the defendants and Ms. Silva are seen here dressed for Halloween in costumes from the Handmaid's Tale TV series. Ms. Silva's ex-husband demanding more than $1 million from each of the defendants, citing Texas's near-total ban on abortions in 2021.
It's been clear that for years, anti-abortion activists have been and will continue to use the judicial system as an instrument of threats and intimidation.
The lawsuit relying heavily on information allegedly found in text messages between Silva's ex-wife and the defendants. In those texts, discussions about how to obtain the pills, saying, "We have the pills here in Houston, so no, you wouldn't have to fly." One text allegedly explaining that Miss Silva can do it at home. "We can take the day off and do it at my place if you want." With the husband, Marcus Silva is not pursuing any charges against his ex-wife. The suit notes she's exempt from civil and criminal liability. Whit?
Quite the story, Ike. Thank you.
What's up, everybody? And you are listening to the best of the Media Mike Radio Show. I'm your host, the Media Mike Speaks, sponsored by New Justice Media, where we are the voice of the everyday citizen. The time is now 48 minutes past the hour here in the Lone Star State, so let's get to it before it's too late. All right, as you saw in the video, good people, yeah, it is true. A Texas man has filed a wrongful death lawsuit. That's right, accusing 3 women of helping his ex-wife obtain abortion pills in one of the first major legal challenges under a state abortion ban since the United States Supreme Court overturned Roe v. Wade. Now, here's the thing, people, because I have some nuances here and some questions here regarding this case. And I'm just wondering here, really, I am. Is this all what it's cracked up to be? I mean, he's taking this pretty serious. Yes, he has. And does he have a case is the question. Now, by law, he has a right to do it. Yes. The plaintiff, Marcus Silva, filed the lawsuit in Galveston County, Texas, alleging that 3 Texas women are liable for wrongful death because they helped his ex-wife obtain abortion pills to terminate a pregnancy in July 2022. The Silva lawsuit is seeking damages of $1 million against each woman, as you saw in the video. That's a lot of money. He has a right to sue. Is he going to ask for a jury with this? I don't know. But under the amendment, U.S. Constitution, Amendment 7, yeah, he has a right to a civil suit and to a jury, if need be. Now, since the U.S. Supreme Court overturned Roe v. Wade in June 2022, eliminating federal abortion rights, Texas has been one of about a dozen states that has enforced a total abortion ban. It is illegal to aid or abet abortions in the Lone Star State, which the lawsuit claims defendants Jackie Nola, Amy Carpenter, and Ursula Garcia did. The defendants could not immediately be reached for comment. It's best that they obtain counsel. Now, defendants Nola, Carpenter, and Garcia all knew they were aiding or abetting a self-managed abortion, which is a wrongful act and a criminal act of murder under Texas law, according to the lawsuit. Brittany Silva, who divorced her husband in February, according to the lawsuit, is not a defendant and is exempt. As you saw in the video, she's not, because it doesn't state the person. It states anyone that aids and abets. So that's what the new civil law and criminal law states. Photos of text messages apparently between Brittany Silva, Nola, and Carpenter attached as exhibitions in the court documents show the women discussing Silvia's pregnancy and her desire to get abortion pills in Texas. As you saw in the video. Here's the thing. I wonder, how did he get those? Now, bear in mind, she had filed for divorce. So, I guess under discovery. So, I guess under discovery, the attorneys subpoenaed her cell phone records. But my question is, what would make him do all of that? What would be the point? That's my thing. I mean, what sparked his curiosity that she had obtained? She had done this. Because the lawsuit alleges that Garcia, the third defendant, facilitated the delivery of the pills to Houston. And here's the thing. Number two. How does he even know that the child is his? You see, it's a lot of things going on here. I mean, she's divorcing him. Why does he care? Maybe he's a man scorned. Maybe he thought the child was his and she decided to do away with it. So he's getting back at the three defendants in accordance with the law. I mean, I don't know. Marcus Silva is represented by lawyers Briscoe Kane, who is a Republican member of the Texas House of Representatives, and Jonathan Mitchell, who is credited as an architect of the 6-week ban in Texas that took effect in September 2021. The law banned abortion starting at 6 weeks of pregnancy, and it introduced a novel enforcement mechanism. It invited citizens to file lawsuits against anyone they believe violated the law by aiding, abetting, or providing an abortion to a woman past that point for damages exceeding $10,000. A status hearing in the case has been set for June 8th of 2023 of this year. I'm surprised they took this case, good people. I really am. I'm really surprised they took this case. I'm baffled by this. The first of its kind. This is a landmark case. It's what it's called. When it's the first of its kind, it's called a landmark case. Ones that make history. I am curious to see how this turns out. Mr. Garcia, I do understand, but sir, your marriage was over. She divorced you, so I guess he's accusing her of something, maybe. He's saying that, there was infidelity involved and you wanted to terminate the pregnancy, or it was their child. And despite the fact that you're getting a divorce, you're going to terminate it anyway. I don't know. Let me know what you think about this case. This is interesting. I don't know. I would have cut my losses and moved on. But apparently, Mr. Garcia doesn't see it that way. So, anyway, interesting. Let me know. Subscribe, share, and like to keep me rocking on the mic. Have a good night.